Okay, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about ovens. You know, you must have seen so many videos of mine, but they're all about cooking. They emphasize about cooking. Now, baking is basically a science. If you don't get anything right, and I see so many channels and so many recipes about baking, but nobody tells me about the ambient temperature of the room or how much time it takes. The important thing about the oven is this: you gotta know your instrument, the oven that you're baking. The racks, how many racks it has, okay? The temperature, till how much can it go? And what is baking? Baking, basically what is baking is the flame comes from the bottom, and this is a convection oven. So what happens with a convection oven and a normal oven? A convection oven that has fans around both sides and blows the air inside. So what happens is the air is going circulating around. So even if you put a tray up there, a second tray, it will cook the same way as the bottom tray. But a regular oven, if it is not convection, then you have to flip it upside down every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever the recipe says. Because the bottom cooks faster and the top doesn't cook faster. Now, there is a broil setting and there is a bake setting. Bake setting is always longer. And a broil setting means the flame is coming from the top. So you gotta know your oven and how your oven functions. If you don't know the functionality of the oven, read the book and understand how your oven is gonna function for that particular setting. So always be cautious about what temperature and how you're gonna put it in the oven. That's the tip of the day. Happy cooking!